Hello everybody, I'd like to do a video explaining my exact actions of how I trade. I am not going to be explaining the theory or reasoning behind how I do what I do, but I just want to do a video of the exact actions that I do on every trade. And so I will be repeating this 3 times over for you. So I'm going to go through my actions once, and I'll go through the workflow more detailed, but it's the same exact actions. And then there's even a worksheet down here I want to go through. It's just the same exact actions, but you can put prices and do the worksheet yourself. So I want to get into it. So my actions are this. These are my exact actions every time you see me do a trade. So the first one, the signal comes in on the trading app, or on the signal trading app, and I open the application and get the signal, buy or sell, and I get the price of what I'm buying or selling at. And then the second action is I open the trading app and I set the original trade with the take profit, and I only risk 0.5% of the account balance maximum as margin, only 0.5% of the total account balance maximum as margin. This allows me to have 3 different hedge levels if it goes against me. Okay, for an example, I'm only risking $1 of margin for an account balance of $200. This is just an example. You can trade more money or less money, but this is just the example. So for Euro USD and most pairs, this lot size that you're going to put in there is 0.01, and that will leave you with a risk of $1 margin for your $200 balance bank account. Okay, then I set all the hedge levels for future orders, hedge 1, hedge 2, hedge 3, with take profits. If it goes against me, if the price goes against me, I want to be able to place future orders, hedge levels that open up, if they go against me, double the lot size, so I'm making twice the amount of money if the trade goes against me. So, and I could sustain over 200 pips against me and still profit from the trade. So I take screenshots of the order page and the 4-hour chart. You're going to see me do that. And then I record the trade in my tracking, which is basically a draft email, as you see I'm doing right here. So I record the trade in my tracking, and I take a screenshot and I take these screenshots from my mentor. So the first screenshot is the signal that comes in. The second screenshot is the order page of the trades placed. The third screenshot is the 4-hour chart showing the trades placed. And then the fourth screenshot is how I record the tracking. And then I close all apps and I wait for the next signal. Those are my only actions. Those are the only actions you see me do on every single trading video that I do now. So now I'll go into more detailed. Actually, I'm just going to place a trade for you, and then I'll go more detail. So trade signal comes in, open app. So we have a trade signal that comes in. This is my signal apps here. FOREX Signals Pro, FOREX Precision. There are many other applications you can use, but these are the ones that I use. So it looks like we have a signal here for United States dollar versus Japanese yen. And this is a sell. It's telling us to sell now. And the price is 153.985. I look specifically at this 9.8. So I call out in my head 9.8. We're selling now at 9.8. United States dollar versus Japanese yen. I then go into my app, and I have an open account here with $200 as an example, and I find the currency pair in the quotes here, and I see United States dollar versus Japanese yen. So I pull up the chart. Okay, this is a sell order, so I need to, again, I only want to risk 0.5% on the trade. Okay, so that is equal to a lot size of 0.01. Okay, and I see that it's a good trade. This is a sell order. It's above this simple moving average, which is the blue line. I want to buy low, so I want to be buying below that line. And when I go to sell, I want to be above that line. So I consider this a good trade. It's a good sell order. Buy low, sell high. So I'm going to go ahead and place the trade. I changed the lot size 0.01. That's my risk. And I'm going to go ahead and execute the trade here. Okay, trade is executed. And you can go back to the order page. You can see the trade is executed. You can see my margin. I'm only risking $1. Come on, you can see my margin. I'm only risking $1. My margin here of the $200 account balance. Okay, I have a $200 account balance. I'm only risking $1. That's 0.5%. Okay, so now I'm going. This is the original trade, original sell order. I'm going to modify this trade. I'm gonna put a take profit of 20 pips. So on a sell order, that's 1.54. Actually, we're in at 154.03. You can see up there. 20 pips profit is 1.153.83. That's if the market moves 20 points in order to give me a profit. So there you go. You see my sell order there. That's the original order. You can see my take profit placed. So when the market goes down, it will close that trade out at a take profit. Okay, so that's the original trade. Now, if it goes against me, if the market were to go up against me, I want to place future orders above that to open if it starts going against me. So I'm going to go market. This is a sell order, so I'm going to do a sell limit. The lot size will be double of the original trade. And if it goes against me, you have to think 20 points against 154.03 is 154.23. And then my take profit from that would be 20 points. I want it to be 20 points. So 154 from 23, we're opening the trade. Profit, it has to go down. This is a sell order, so we're making money going down. 154.03 will be 20-point profit. So that's my hedge level 1. It's my original order. This is my hedge level 1 if it goes against me. You can see that placed right there. Hedge level 2 is double hedge level 1, double the amount of lot size, and it's 40 points against hedge level 1. So 154, our hedge level 1 was at 2.3. 40 points against that is 6.3. 154.63. 154, and then we want another 20 pip take profit, 4.3. So if the market moves for us, it's a profit of 20 points, 154.43. So I'm going to place that trade. That's the second hedge level. So we have the original order. We have 2 future orders. And I'm going to do a third hedge level. I started doing the third hedge level just recently, just so I don't have to go back and look at it. It can go 160 points against me and still profit. So our original trade's at 0.01. Our hedge level 1 is at 0.02 lot size. Our hedge level 3 is at 0.04 lot size, double of hedge level 1. And now we're on hedge level 3, double the lot size of the hedge level 2. And for this one, we're going to go 100 points against hedge level 2. So 155, let's see, 2.3. Let's see, 0.3 is the original trade. 2.3 is against, that's hedge level 1. 40 pips against that is 6.3. And then 100 points is 6.3 again. 155.63. And my take profit, I'm going to do a 50-point take profit here. 1.3. On the hedge level 3, I do a 50-point take profit because I really believe the market will snap back. It's gone so far against me. So there's the original trade. There's hedge level 1 placed. There's hedge level 2 future order placed. There's hedge level 3 future order placed. So I take a screenshot. So I'm only risking 1% or 0.5%. 0.5%. Sorry for my handwriting. And this is the original trade. This is hedge level 1. This is hedge level 2 future order. This is hedge level 3. So that's a screenshot of the order page. Now I do a screenshot of the 4-hour chart. You can see my hedge level is placed, but you can only see the second hedge level placed. You can't even see the third hedge level because it's so far up. You probably have to go to the 1-day chart to see that. But I take a screenshot of this one. You'll see my earlier videos, I label them. So there's the original trade. There's a take profit. This is a hedge level 1, and this is hedge level 2, 4-3. 4-3, I believe, yeah. I believe 4-3 is the take profit. That's the take profit. The second hedge level is at 6-3 up here. So let's see, I'm going to show you if there, let's see if there's a, okay, there's our third hedge level. To go out to the week chart. Let's see if I can do the day chart. Okay, there's the day chart. You can see my third hedge level there. See if I can zoom in. Oh, it's not even letting me zoom in. Okay, well, you can see all 3 hedge levels. Take a screenshot of that. Now I go into my tracking and I want to track this USD Japanese yen sell order. Okay, so I go into my tracking and I am in the first account here. I have 5 different accounts, so I can have 5 different trades going, making me cash flow. I don't have to wait for one trade to close before doing another. And also my risk is spread between 5 accounts. So this account is being used, so I put an X. This is United States dollar versus Japanese yen. It's in the original trade right now. If it goes against me and does hedge order 1, hedge order 2, hedge order 3, I track it there and I will change that. But right now it's still on the original trade. And, oh, sorry, this is a sell order. Original trade. And I got the signal from FOREX Precision. My account balance is $200. And I put in that I am risking 0.5%. Okay. So that's how I show that that account is being used. And I have an open account here. The next open account is account 059. I have $200 in there. And then once the trade closes, I will put, okay, I made $1 on this, or I made $2 on this. And then I will keep the account open now. And the account is open, and I have $200 in there. And that account will be ready. So that's, once it closes, that's how I track it. But for right now, it's just an example. But I have a trade going on right now, so that's how I track it. Okay, now, then I close all the applications. I take a screenshot of this for my mentor, sorry. And I show that this is the trade that I just placed. I'll delete that too because we haven't closed the profit yet. So there's the trade that I just placed. This is a screenshot from my mentor. Okay, then I close all apps and I wait for the next trade. Now I'm going to go back to my actions and we're going to repeat this. So you can see the signal came in. I opened the signal app. get the signal, buy or sell trade, and I get the price. I open the trading app. I set the original trade with the take profit. I'm only risking 0.5%, half of a percent of the account balance, maximum as margin. This allows the market to move against me. It's very conservative. It allows me to profit on at least 99% of my trades. Almost every single trade I close is a profit. For example, $1 of margin risk for the account balance of $200. For your United States dollar, most pairs, this lot size is 0.01. If you are trading Swiss franc or gold, you have to divide that normal lot size by 3. Swiss franc and gold are very heavy on the lot size, so you have to divide by 3. So if you're using a lot size of 0.03 normally, you have to divide by 3 and only use a lot size of 0.01. The other one is British pound. If you're trading a British pound pair, I divide by 3/4. So I multiply by 3/4, so 0.75. So if I'm trading Euro USD, if I have a lot size of 0.04, for British pound pair, I only use a lot size of 0.03 instead of 0.04. So you'll see that on a lot of my videos because that's the lot size I'm currently trading with. Okay, so then that's the original trade. I set all hedge level future orders. If it goes against me, hedge level 1, hedge level 2, hedge level 3 with take profits. I take screenshot of the order page. I take screenshot of the 4-hour chart. I record the trade and the tracking, as you can see, and I take a screenshot of that. All those screenshots are from my mentor. And then I close all apps and I wait for the next signal, okay? This is the same exact actions on every single trade. Now let's go into the workflow. You can stop the video here, or this is the more detailed. I'll just go through it really quick. The workflow, again, trade signal comes in, open the trade signal app, copy the pair to trade, Euro and United States dollar, Euro Japanese yen, British pound dollar, whatever that pair is that you're trading. Copy, is it you buying or selling? Copy the entry price. What price are they entered at? Then I open my trading app. I open the 4-hour chart of that copied pair. And I ask myself at this point, is the trade good? Am I buying low? Am I selling high? If it's not, then I do not want to risk it. Some trades that come in on these trade signal apps do not follow the buy low, sell high. And they still make money on them sometimes, but I don't want to risk it. I want very conservative trades. So I only do trades where I'm buying below the simple moving average line on the 4-hour chart, and I'm selling above the simple moving average line on the 4-hour chart. So is the trade good? If the trade's good, I change the lot size to 0.01 or whatever the risk is, 0.5% of my total account balance maximum. It's a very conservative way to trade. This allows me to close 99% of my trades at a profit. Almost every single one of my trades is profitable. And then I execute the buy or sell order. I copy the entry price. I modify the trade. I go in and modify the trade, and I set the take profit to 20 pip take profit from the copied entry price. And then I submit that. So that's done. And then that's the original trade. Now, if the price goes against me, I want to set 3 hedge orders if it goes against me, and I want to double the lot size on each one. So the first hedge order, I'll set a future order, hedge level 1, buy limit or sell limit, change the lot size to double of what the original trade is, so 0.02. If your original trade is lot size 0.01. Then I change the order price to, if the price is 20 points against the original trade, and I set the take profit to a 20 pip take profit from that hedge order 1 price. and then I place the order, and then that's hedge level 1 complete. Then I do set hedge level 2 future order, H2, buy or sell limit, change the lot size to double of what hedge level 1 is. So in this case, it's 0.04. I change the order price to 40 pips against hedge level 1. So it's 60 pips against the original trade. So this is, hedge level 2 is at 40 pips against hedge level 1. I set the take profit to 20 pips. And I place the order, and I complete that hedge level. And I've just started recently. It's just worth it for me every single time to do the same trade the same way. So I place the hedge level 3 order, set future order hedge level 3, buy limit or sell limit, change the lot size to double of hedge level 2. So in this case, it's 0.08. Change the order price to 100 pips against the hedge level 2. So the market can move 160 points against my original trade. So in this case, it's 100 points against hedge level 2 in my mind. So I do the math there. Set that price. I set the take profit price on hedge level 3 to a 50-point take profit, because I believe at this point it will really snap back, and that's the way I can make the trade profitable. Also, I don't believe I can make the trade profitable if I only do a 20-point take profit on hedge level 3, but at 50 points I can. So I set that take profit to 50-point take profit on hedge level 3. I place the order, and I'm done with that one. Then I take screenshots of the order page. I expand the order page just like I did. I take the screenshots, and then I go to the 4-hour chart. I expand the 4-hour chart, make sure I can see all the hedge levels if possible. And I take a screenshot of that, and then I record the trade in the tracking, and I take a screenshot of my tracking, and then I'm done. I'm done with the trade, placing the trade. This takes me about 2.5 minutes to do every single time. Maximum 2.5 minutes. So then I close all apps and I wait for the next trade. I go to the next my next open account, and I just wait for the next trade, okay? So this is the worksheet. This is the third, I'll just repeat it one more time of how I complete the trade, okay? This is really quick. If you want to fill in the numbers, you can fill in the numbers for the beginners. I made this for the very beginners, people going through the baby pips education system. There's a free course online about Forex trading. It's called babypips.com. I would highly recommend you take that before starting to trade, and do this in your demo accounts. You know, start a demo account and practice doing this exact trade every single time. So here's my worksheet. Trade comes in. You know, you can put the time there or just take a screenshot. Open the trade signal app. Copy the pair to trade. Is it Euro USD, British Pound USD, or what is the pair that you're going to trade? Or what's the signal for? Copy the buy or sell price. Oh, copy or buy or sell. What is the action? Is it buy or is the action to sell? And then you copy their entry price. And then you take a snapshot for yourself. And then I go into the trading app. Okay, this is setting the original trade. I open the trading app. I open the chart for the copied pair, the pair that I want to trade. I change the lot size to 0.01 or whatever the lot size is, so that you're only risking 0.5% of the total account size. It's a conservative way of trading. I execute the buy or sell order. I copy the entry price, because your entry price is not going to be the exact same that the signal is giving you. Yours might be better, yours might be worse, but the market might have moved already. So I copy your price right there. And then I modify the original trade. I set the take profit to 20 pips from the copied trade entry price. And then the trade is set. I'm done. Then if I set 3 hedge orders if the market goes against me. Hedge level 1, future order. I have to set the pair to the copied original pair. Make sure that happens. the system can be tricky, so make sure that you're trading. If the original trade is in Euro United States dollar, make sure that future order is also Euro United States dollar. So you set the future order hedge level 1. Is it a buy limit or sell limit? Are you buying or selling? And then you change the lot size to double of what hedge level 1 is. In this case, it's 0.02. Change the order price to 20 pips against the original trade, okay? And you set the take profit for a 20 pip take profit of that future order. And then you place the order, that's the future order 1. Then set hedge level 2, future order. Set the pair to the pair that you want to be trading, Euro United States dollar, if that's the case. Set the future order. Is it a buy limit or a sell limit? Change the lot size to double of what hedge level 1 is, in this case 0.04. Change the order price to 40 pips against hedge level 1, okay? So 60 pips against the original trade. This is 40 pips against hedge level 1. And then you set the take profit for 20 pip take profit. And you place the order. And then you set hedge level 3. Set the pair to the correct pair. Euro United States dollar, Euro Japanese yen, whatever it is. Take the future, set the future hedge 3 order, buy limit or sell limit. Change lot size to double of what hedge level 2 is. In this case, 0.08. Change the order price to minus 100 points against hedge level 2. This should be hedge level 2, not hedge level 1. So it's 100 pips against hedge level 2. What is that price? You need to put that in there. And then on hedge level 3, you're setting a take profit, a 50-point take profit from hedge level 4, hedge level 3. And then you place the order, just place a check there. And then you're done. You take a snapshot of the order page expanded. You take a snapshot of the 4-hour chart, just like I did, showing all orders. And then you record the trade in the tracking and take a snapshot for that. And then you're done. You're done with the whole trade. You close the app, wait for the next signal, okay? So these are my actions. This is the video. I can probably place another order for you just to show you again, but these are what I do on every single trade. Let's see how that one is doing. We can close out all positions. You can close out, delete all orders. After you clear a profit, that's what you want to do. You want to close all positions, delete all orders. And then you close all that and wait for the next trade. So let's act like we just had a new signal come in. Okay, new signal comes in. I set my notifications so I get these signals. United States dollar versus Japanese yen. This is a sell now at 9.8. United States dollar, Japanese yen. Sell now at 9.8. So I'm in my trading app. There's no trades going on. That's good. I go to my quotes. Go to United States dollar, Japanese yen. This is going to be a sell order. I go to the 4-hour chart to evaluate. Okay, I'm above the simple moving average line. That blue line is a simple moving average. I'm above that line. I set the lot size to where I'm risking only 0.5% of the total account balance. My total account balance is $200 in this case. And this is a sell order. They're in at 9.8, right? They're in at 9.8. And the market has already moved to 154.06. Like, this is a good time to get in. So I've placed the sell order. You can see down there. I placed the order. Original trade, I modify the order, 20 pip take profit from my price. So my price I got in 154.06. So 20 pips will be 153, not 96, but 86. 153.86, that's a 20 pip take profit. That's the original order. Now, if the trade goes against me, I want to set 3 future hedge orders, okay? It's a sell limit. Double the lot size. 154. If it goes 20 pips against, it's 26. Give myself a take profit of 20 pips. 06. Happens to be where the market is now. That's hedge level 1. Let's do hedge level 2. Sell. Double the lot size of hedge level 1. 154. Hedge level 2 is 40 pips against hedge level 1. So hedge level 1's at 26. 40 pips against that is 66. Right? 154. And I give myself a 20-point take profit. So that's 46. So it's hedge level 1 and 2 place. Almost all trades will not go beyond that. I would say 90% of the trades will not go beyond that. So I only set hedge level 3 for the 10% that do go beyond that, but I like to set it and forget it. So that's why I do the hedge level 3. But here's hedge level 3. Double the lot size of hedge level 1. I'm sorry, double the lot size of hedge level 2. Let's see. The original trade's at 154.06. Hedge level 1's at 26. Hedge level 2 is at 66. Hedge level 3 is at 100 points against, so that's 155.66. And then I give myself a 50 pip take profit on this one. 155.16 is a 50-point take profit. Okay, so that's original trade. Hedge level 1, hedge level 2. Take a screenshot from my mentor. I'm only risking 0.5% of the total account size. There's hedge level 1, original trade, hedge level 1, hedge level 2, future order, hedge level 3, future order. So we only have one working now. That's good. Hopefully it'll close out. There's the 4-hour chart. And then I can't see the hedge level, so I'll go to the 1-day chart. I still can't see them. Sometimes you got to zoom out. I'll take a screenshot of that one too. And then I go into my trade tracking. So I go into my tracking here. Drafts. I have a draft email. Oh, example tracking. There we go. So it was an open account. Now I have a trade working. This is United States dollar versus Japanese yen. It's a sell order. It's on the original trade currently. And I got the signal from FOREX Precision. And my account balance is $200. And I'm only risking 0.5%. If I risk more, I got to be honest with myself. You got to be honest with yourself. You know, it has gone against me before, and it has taken out an account before because I was risking way too much. I remember the days when I was risking 80% of my account. That's insanity. So right now, this is very sustainable, very conservative way of trading. Every single trade that I place, almost every single trade is profitable. It's been 3 weeks now. I have not sustained a loss on any trade. So, yeah, this is what I do. These are my exact actions. Now, I forgot to take a screenshot of that, but you saw me do it before. These are my exact actions I take on every trade, and enjoy trading, and I'll see you on the next trade.